Since the era of Carthage, Tunisia has been defined by its soil, but the modern story of its survival began in 1906. The National Institute of Agronomic Research of Tunisia, or INRAT, is one of the oldest scientific pillars in Africa. For over a century, this institution has been the silent architect of the Tunisian diet. Operating under the Ministry of Agriculture, INRAT's mission is simple yet existential: to ensure that in a land of rising temperatures and thinning rains, no Tunisian goes hungry.
In the past, there were more severe years of drought compared to today, but the crisis was not like this. It hadn't been this severe before. This year, people are at risk of starvation.
Bread is the heartbeat of the Maghreb. To protect it, INRAT has become a world leader in cereal genetics. Their scientists don't just grow crops, they engineer resilience. By crossbreeding ancient indigenous land races, seeds that have survived for millennia, with high-yield modern varieties, INRAT has created durum wheat that can thrive in semi-arid heat. This is cereal sovereignty. In an era of global supply chain shocks, INRAT's work ensures that the seeds planted in Tunisian soil are born from Tunisian science.
We have very good things that we did together in the framework of Memorandum of Understanding, so especially dealing with water resources. And I'm very happy that you have this opportunity to come to INRAT, to have exchange with the INRAT staff, with the students, with the postdocs.
Specifically adapted to the unique salt and sun of the North African landscape. But Tunisia's wealth is not found in grain alone. INRAT is the primary defender of the olive, the green gold of the Republic. Through intensive genetic mapping of varieties like the Kemlali and Chatoui, they are protecting the multi-billion-dollar olive oil industry from emerging pests and drought.
The traditional mill means, you could say, these are our ancestors' mills from before colonization in Tunisia. They started with these. These machines are very old, and traditional milling means the only intervention with the olive happens in the grinding process. There are no other interventions.
They are also the stewards of the Berberine sheep, a fat-tailed breed perfectly evolved for the desert. Through the National Gene Bank, INRAT preserves the genetic blueprints of these animals and plants, ensuring that the biological heritage of the Mediterranean is never lost to history.
We specialize in tuna sheep, a historic breed of sheep. They were a gift to the fledgling nation from the Ottoman Empire, and the recipient of these sheep was President George Washington.
As the Sahara creeps northward, INRAT is the front line of defense. Their research into conservation agriculture and water use efficiency is turning the tide against desertification. They are teaching the soil to hold more water and the plants to need less of it. At INRAT, history meets the future. From 1906 to the challenges of the 21st century, they remain the guardians of the land.